In this video, I will talk about Kana واخواتها. Kana واخواتها. The verb Kana means he was, he usually is. And we use Kana widely in the nominal sentence. Also, Kana is one of the hello verbs. I introduced hello verb in one of my previous videos if you like to learn more about hello verb. كان وأخواتها. كان أمسى أصبح ظل بات صار ليس ما زال. All كان وأخواتها function in the same grammatical manner. So all of them function the same. Let's conjugate the verb kana in the past and in the present tense. أنا كنت I was. أنا أكون I am. If I say أنا أكون في المدرسة اليوم, I am in the school today. It's a present tense. But the first one past, كنت I was. نحن كنا we were. Or in the present tense, نكون we are. أنت كنت تكون أنت كنت تكونين. هو كان يكون. هي كانت تكون. أنتما كنتما تكونان. أنتم كنتم تكونون. أنتن كنتن تكن. هما كانا يكونان. هما كانتا تكونان. هم كانوا. Do not pronounce alif here. You say كانوا, write alif, but don't pronounce it. يكونون. هن كنا يكن. كان is فعل ناقص. And let's say we treat كان as second level verb. Why كان is فعل ناقص? Why كان is not complete? When you write a sentence, you have فعل, you have verb, you have فاعل, subject, you have مفعول به, direct object. But when it comes to كان is فعل ناقص. كان is فعل ناقص. There is no فاعل and there is no مفعول به. That's why they call it كان فعل ناقص. It is not complete. Now let's talk more details about كان وأخواتها. Now let's talk about nominal sentence first of all. Remember I did so many videos about this topic. Just really quick. Nominal sentence, as I mentioned, consisting of subject, predicate, and both of them nominative case. Now what happens when we have kana in the nominal sentence? Now remember, we call this subject and we call this predicate. مبتدأ خبر. Let's see what happens when kana enter the nominal sentence. When kana enter, we call the subject اسم كان and we call the predicate خبر كان. So when Kana enter the nominal sentence, it makes a lot of changes to the nominal sentence. It makes the subject, which is we call it مبتدأ, we start calling it اسم كان. And the predicate, we start calling it خبر كان. The predicate here is مرفوع. When we have كان in the sentence, it turns to accusative منصوب. So this is kind of job description for Kana. So when Kana enter the nominal sentence, it makes the subject اسم كان. It makes the predicate خبر كان. And it changes the خبر from nominative to accusative, to منصوب. And I will show you some examples right now. So let's say كان واخواتها kind of occupied the nominal sentence. So there is no more nominal sentence. There is no more مبتدأ by itself and خبر by itself. When nominal sentence has كان previous to the nominal sentence in the beginning of the sentence, it changes the whole equation. When Kana comes, Kana says, I am going to be the اسم. I'm going to be the خبر for Kana. So don't call it anymore مبتدأ by itself and خبر by itself. This is kind of Kana's job description. أمثلة: الجو جميل. When I use Kana, the weather was beautiful. When we use Kana, what happens? This is اسم Kana, this is خبر Kana, and it changes to accusative. It is no more nominative. السماء صافية. The sky is clear. أصبحت السماء صافية. The sky became صافية, clear. اسم كان خبر كان. السماء صافية. أمست السماء صافية. So we use أصبحت, it became, in the morning. We use أمست in the evening. The sky, in the evening, the sky became صافية, clear. الطقس غائم. The weather is cloudy. صار الطقس غائما. The weather became غائما. اسم صار خبر صار. البيت كبير. The house is big. ليس البيت كبيرا. The house is not big. Remember ليس? To negate nominal sentence, we use ليس. So here we say the house is not big, is not كبيرا. الولدان بارعان. Both boys are genius. أصبح الولدان بارعين. Accusative case. We never say أصبح الولدان بارعان because here we have أصبح. أصبح is Kana's sister, so they work the same. What we did so far, we did everything in the past tense. Now let's work on the present tense and imperative. الجو جميل. The weather is beautiful. كان الجو جميلا. الجو اسم كان جميلا خبر كان. This is what we did so far. فعل ماضي. فعل ماضي. Now let's do it in the present tense. يكون الجو جميلا. يصبح الجو جميلا. الجو اسم يكون جميلا خبر يكون. It's the same thing, but we are using it in the present tense. Let's do فعل الأمر with Kana and Sarah. Usually for the imperative verb we use only two verbs, Kana and Sarah usually. الولد مجتهد. Imperative verb كن مجتهدا. I'm commanding him to work hard. الاسم here it's مستتر. مستتر means it's hidden. الخبر is مجتهدا. صر مجتهدا. Again, I'm using the verb Sarah to command him to be or to work hard. الاسم again مستتر. مستتر means it's hidden. الخبر is مجتهدا. So الاسم it's right here, it's مستتر, it's hidden. الاسم it's right here, it's مستتر, it's hidden. كان الجو جميلا. يكون الجو جميلا. كن مجتهدا. This is past, present, imperative. Again, كان الجو جميلا. يكون الجو جميلا. كن مجتهدا. So I'm use كان one time فعل ماضي, one time فعل مضارع, one time فعل أمر. The last thing I want to mention about Laysa, there is no past, present tense or imperative verb from Laysa. Laysa, we use it to negate nominal sentence, and you can find a lot of videos about Laysa under Arabic 101 playlist or under Arabic 106 playlist.